Good morning and welcome from Global Campus Group. In this lesson, we continue Unit 1 Exploring Business by examining how businesses are organized. This is an important topic because the way a business is structured affects how it operates, how decisions are made, and how different departments work together. In this lecture, we will study two main areas. First, we will explore structure and organization. Second, we will examine aims and objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the main organizational structures used in business, identify the key functional areas of a business, and understand how mission, vision, values, aims, and objectives guide business activity. There are many ways a business can be organized, and this affects the way it operates. It also affects communication, responsibility, and accountability. An organizational structure shows how activities are directed in a company. It includes roles, responsibilities, reporting relationships, and lines of communication. There are four main organizational structures in this lesson: hierarchical, flat, matrix, and holacratic. A hierarchical structure is shaped like a pyramid. Employees are organized into different levels. Each level is responsible for the level below it and reports to the level above it. This gives clear authority, but communication may be slower. A flat structure has fewer layers of authority and responsibility. Employees often have broader roles and more direct access to decision makers. This can lead to faster communication and quicker decisions, although it can also place wider responsibility on each member of staff. A matrix structure brings people together from different departments or levels to work on specific projects or products. An employee may report to both a functional manager and a project manager. This supports flexibility, but can also create complexity. A holacratic structure spreads authority more widely across the workforce. It reduces bureaucracy and gives teams or individuals more autonomy. This can support innovation and agility, but it depends on trust, clarity, and strong communication. We now move to the functional or operational areas of a business. These structures affect how departments interact. Businesses also organize themselves through functional or operational areas. Each department plays a critical role. Human resources manages recruitment, training, and support. Research and development focuses on creating and improving products. Sales generates revenue. Marketing promotes the business. Purchasing obtains the materials and resources needed. Production and quality ensures effective operations. Finance manages accounting, wages, budgets, and financial control. Customer service handles support. IT manages systems and data. Administration helps the business run through coordination. We now move to aims and objectives. Businesses need clear goals in order to succeed. These guide planning, decision-making, and performance measurement. Business aims are often shaped by three core ideas. The mission expresses the purpose. The vision explains the future direction. The values reflect the philosophy and principles. Private sector businesses may have aims such as making a profit, maximizing profit, surviving, or becoming market leaders. Public sector organizations usually focus on service aims, such as controlling costs and achieving value for money. Not-for-profit organizations usually focus on social aims, including providing education, housing, or healthcare. When businesses turn aims into action, they often use SMART objectives. This helps move from intention to measurable progress. Let us now summarize the lesson. We have explored how businesses are organized through various structures. We have examined the main functional areas and explained how mission, vision, and SMART objectives provide direction. Thank you for joining this lesson from Global Campus Group. In the next lesson, we will continue our study of Unit 1.